Again folks, I just wanted to share this gorgeous little trickling waterfall amongst the bush with you. I just think it's so stunning. It's just so soothing, just standing here being amongst this nothing but bushland and quiet, and the trickle of the stream as you come down. So you can see on the other side it just meanders its way down the hillside through the valley, deep in the bush in Northland, New Zealand. I just wanted to share that with you because I thought it was quite amazing. Very tranquil, very peaceful, and very beautiful.